Welcome to Food Tech with Hina. Today we are going to discuss about Introduction to Food Chemistry. Food chemistry is a fascinating branch of applied science that combines most of the subdisciplines of traditional chemistry, organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry, together with elements of biochemistry and human physiology. Food chemists attempt to define the composition and properties of food, and understand the chemical changes undergone during production, storage, and consumption, and how these might be controlled. Foods are fundamentally biological substances and are highly variable and complex. Therefore, food chemistry is a constantly evolving and expanding field of knowledge that underpins other areas of food science and technology. This chapter cannot hope to encompass all of the intricacies and details of food chemistry, but instead attempts to provide an overview of the fundamental areas that constitute this important area of science. To delve deeper, the reader is encouraged to refer to one or more of the excellent texts relating to food chemistry that are listed as further reading at the end of this chapter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thank you.